What's good, fam? It's your boy Gels, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're gonna talk about the Waves L1 Ultra Maximizer. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we're going to talk about the Waves L1 Ultra Maximizer. I love this plugin from Waves, man. I use this thing all the time when I need that good volume bump, when I need to use a limiter. This Waves L1 always gets the job done. So enough of me talking. Let's head over to the computer and get to work. All right, fam. So right here, we have the Waves L1 limiter and the L1 Ultra Maximizer. This is pretty much the same plugin. The L1 limiter, this is mono, and the Ultra Maximizer, L1 plus Ultra Maximizer. This is stereo. I really don't use the mono version. I kind of use the stereo version just for what I use this thing for. This works the best because I mainly use it on stereo signals. But this mono version is great. It can be used on different types of things like vocals, stuff like that, kind of anything that you have in mono. They both work exactly the same. So I'll go ahead and, as you can see, the biggest difference as this input knob that's on the stereo is not on the mono. And also this section right here is not there either. So what we'll do right now, we'll go ahead and get rid of this L1 limiter. We'll stick with the L1 plus Ultra Maximizer. What we have here, we have the stereo input, and you can hold this to link the two. This is what I do. Then you have the threshold knob. You have your output ceiling, or you can hold this and go up and down to control both of them at the threshold and the output ceiling at the same time. You have your release times, or you could just set it for auto release. I like to set it for auto release. The auto release works fine for me. I haven't had an instance where the auto release did not work. Also, we have some more settings over here if you want to really get into it, more of like your mastering stages and stuff like this. I really don't mess with these. They sound pretty good to me for the instances I use this for. So I really don't mess with them. You have your quantize here, basically your bit rate, 24 bits. You have your dither. I keep it at 10.1. You have your T1. Then you have your shaping. I kind of keep it here. And you have your domain, whether it's digital, analog, or true peak. I kind of leave it at digital. So I'll show you guys what I use this for. I like to use this plugin when I'm really mixing with 2-track beats. Oftentimes artists, they don't have beat track outs. They have 2-track beats that just they're weak. They don't knock enough. Certain things aren't mixed well. Certain things are off. So I like to pull up this L1 and just kind of glue things, make them tighter. Just kind of make things cohesive with this limiter, man. Bring it up the volume, but not just turning up the volume. It turns up. And like I said, it just glues everything together. So I'll play this beat without it. That's the beat. That's the beat without it right there. So now let's turn this on and let's go ahead and play this beat. Let's go ahead and dial this in. Like I said, I got the auto release set. So right now, I'll do a ceiling. Let's do a ceiling of about 2. And let's just to show you guys what I'm talking about. Pull this threshold knob down. as you can hear, it not only got louder, but it brought everything together. So let's bypass this just so you guys can hear it. It's bypassed right now. Active. Woo. Bypass. Active. Let's do that again. Let's bypass it. Active. It not only adds volume, it just brings things closer together, man. That's why I love this. I also use this on my master bus, so I'll bring up an instance of that now, just so you guys could hear it on my actual master bus. Here we go here. Let's play this vocal as well, and I'll let you hear what this thing could do on a master bus. Let's bypass it and play it all together.
It's pitiful. I just got in my bag. It's prettiful. I'm just mixing the drinks, the chemical. She like, John, what a shh, that's critical. Can't f with her telling my business. Trying to run up some
I got
racks
this
like
set at -3 right now. Let's activate.
Now I'm all the way up. You was tripping, counting them digits. All of my niggas, they with it. We up to the ceiling while you was too focused on bitches. I had to get in my bag. I got in it fast. I just had to switch up position. Shawty, she all on my dome. She bad to the bone. Yeah, just like some chicken. Running up racks to riches. Big gas only. Yeah, that's the business. For the, yeah, these is pitiful. I just got in my bag. It's pitiful. I'm just mixing the drinks, the chemical. She like, John, what a that's critical. Can't f with her telling my business. Trying to run up some racks like tennis. I was down on my to my britches. Now I'm all the way up. You was tripping, counting them digits. All of my niggas, they with it. We up to the ceiling while you was too focused on bitches. I had to get in my bag. I got in it fast. I just had to switch up position. Shawty, she all on my dome. She bad to the bone.
As you hear, man, it doesn't just add volume, it just adds some glue. It just brings it all together. Like I said, that's why I love this L1 Ultra Maximizer, man. Waves did a great job with this plugin. Let's play it one more time, man, just so you guys can hear it. I could really slam it a little bit more if I wanted to, but I don't want to get it too dramatic, because I'm not even pushing it hard enough, because honestly the song's not loud enough, but I don't want to kill you guys' ears. So let's bypass this and then we'll play it again.
These is pitiful. I just got in my bag. It's pitiful. I'm just mixing the drinks, the chemical. She like, John, what a shh, that's critical. Can't f with her telling my business. Trying to run up some racks like tennis. I was down on my to my britches. Now I'm all the way up. You was tripping, counting them digits.
Bypass.
All of my niggas, they with it. We up to the ceiling while you was too focused on bitches. I had to get in my bag. I got in it fast. I just had to switch up position. Shawty, she all on my dome. She back to the bone. Yeah, just like some chicken. Running up racks to riches. Big gas only. Yeah, that's the business. Yeah, these is pitiful.
I love this plugin, man. Like I said, this thing is amazing. They also have some great presets that you can use. Hey, man, don't be afraid to use presets, man. It may not be exactly where you need to be, but you could tweak it to get it where you need to be. If a preset is needed, man, don't be afraid to use them. Like I said, they have some great presets if you want to hear how certain things sound. You want to hear how this mastering sounds. Let's play that and see how if it changed anything.
These is pitiful. I just got in my bag. It's pitiful. I'm just mixing the drinks, the chemical. She like, John, what a shh, that's critical. Can't f with her telling my business.
All right, let's bypass it.
Trying to run up some racks like tennis. I was down on my to my britches.
Activate.
Now I'm all the way up. You was tripping, counting them digits. All of my niggas, they with it. We up to the ceiling while you was too focused on bitches. I had to get in my bag. I got in it.
All right, as you can see, man, the mastering preset kind of have it exactly the way I had it set up. They just raised it from the -2 that I had, the -2 that I had it at, to -0.2, and they also changed the true peak, changed this to true peak, and they also just changed the slope to straight. But I was, like I said, the way I used it, it kind of sounded the same to me. So yeah, like I said, this L1 Ultra Maximizer is amazing. Don't be afraid to play with These presets, you could use this mastering preset and kind of play with these knobs just to get it to sound right for you and your ears. Everything is not going to sound right to you right off the bat, but dial it in, tweak it to where it sounds right for you and your ears. Yes, sir. That Waves L1 Ultra Maximizer is a fire plugin, man. I don't even have to ask. I know you guys are using it. And if you aren't, why not? Let's talk about it in the comments below, man. You know our job. You know our goal is to help each other get better in this music mixing, mastering game, man. That's what I'm here for. So do me a favor. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, check out my website, mixedbygels.com. It's your boy Gels, baby. I'm gone.